So this is a really cool one. So you see you have if number is bigger than 5 but smaller than and smaller than 10, return yes. If not, then return no. You can replace this with two if statements. So I'll show you how to do this. We create function, let's say x, which will take a number. Yeah, so look, we can do two if statements. If number is bigger than 5, and then again, if number is smaller than 10, then we return between 5 and 10. If not, then we return, well, actually we'll put a return statement at the end of the function then. Return smaller or now we can just call our function. We'll put it as, actually we can just do console log, honestly, it will be quicker. X, we'll put it as 7, and this should display us between 5 and 10. If we put console log, between 5 and 10. Okay, let's put 1, it should say bigger than 5, but smaller than 10. Yeah. No, whoops. Yeah. Well, 1 does not really meet any conditions in here, so it will naturally display this. So we can say, yeah, it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter. I don't want to be sitting here. Like, bottom line is, we can just put in smaller than 10. Yeah, this will meet it. So if we put in 6, it will say between 5 and 10. Yeah, if we put in 4, it will say smaller than 10. Yeah, there you go, it works.